Hi, everyone. I'm Judy Lawrence. Many of you know me as the Queen of Apostilles. If you have a group, if you have a staff that you would like to be trained in this wonderful, trendy, wonderful business, I'm available to do that. I can write a program and tailor it to your state or perhaps to a country that you do the most work in. I am available to come to you or to do this online, just like you're listening to me right now. I would like very much to talk to you and see what opportunities you're looking for and see what we can do together. So my name, again, is Judy Lawrence. You can reach me at Judy at lawrenceinstitutefornotaries.com or by calling 215-870-3103. I've done probably more than 2,000 apostilles. I'm going strong. I work globally all over the country. And I'd like to share some of what I've learned with you and your staff and your company. So whether you're a pharmaceutical company or a law firm, whatever the case may be, I am available to talk to you, see what you need, see what you want, and let us tailor a program just for you. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I look forward to hearing from you.